Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. No, we don't have a sun today, but we are in the beach. Look, but they're not here anywhere because I'm here in the Philippines. I'm going to the China. Look, that sign. It's me. It's my name. Again, my name is Chris Anthony Tapalya. You know me, baby. Remind you, this is my vlog. And that stairs. That is my mother and that is mother friends, and that is the humans in this place. We have there, right? Bukas pupunta tayo dun. Tsaka hihintayin na lang tayo mga pre.